Hi, welcome back. Aram here. Today I have a runny noise, so I'm sorry in advance for my voice throughout this video. Anyway, today we're gonna play Zone Zero version 2.6 and Core for an Old Dream. Last time in Zone Zero, we wake Arya up with the help of Fairy. During the process, we we got discover more of area pass. Not only that, we also learned about Fiery. In fact, hopefully, we're gonna learn more about Fiery. Not just Fiery. I guess the theme for this patch is it's not so much of an Angel of Delusion, but more so as a introduction for the whole intelligent entity thing. Anyway, after the whole thing in our in our store, Arya woke up and we back to Yomaruyon. We greet with Vesper. Not we greet with Vesper. We talk with Vesper. Arya talk with Vesper, and she talk about the whole thing about free will stuff. This could be foreshadow something in the next commission. Maybe after that, I don't know. But probably this pass is what I'm saying. And we finally explain the whole misunderstanding stuff with Cecilia, and everything is fine until Wise message us. He said, "Not emergency, but emergency. Someone waiting in a store, which I assume it's our client, the uh, the one that I think a chief of public security, possibly." So yeah, without further ado, let's just continue the playthrough. By the way, I forgot to check Jen and Cesar way of speaking, because our meeting took place in the store, and on the only way to recheck their dialogue to go to the archive in the store. So yeah, as usual, let's check notification, nothing. So anyway, sorry for the voice again. We have new commission, Gilded Carrot Day variation. Why variation? I don't. Maybe because the location in Yomaruyon instead of the actual Gilded Carrot Day location. So yeah, let's go back to the video store. Did they? We say Nintendo we double I. They do a spelling mistake of Wise name. Anyway, just message me saying we got a difficult guess. Not sure what the station is, but I better head home and check it out real quick. I think I read this last time, but I didn't realize Wise name. So yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention again. I check, by the way, I check. Remember I said that I'm gonna check the original, one of the original video they released on YouTube. I believe the name of the video is Lore Teaser or something. Uh, when the miracle begin, if I remember correctly, the name. Anyway, I'm sorry for a second. So yeah, in that video, there are 4 AI. So I remember correctly, it was 4, not 5. Genie, Ghost, Yokai, and Fairy. And throughout the video, there are two character, two voice basically speaking, a woman and a man. And I believe so. The episode this is these two. I this is I assume this is the original Python. Yes, I believe we are not the original Python. Why? Because in the text, in one of the text in the screen, they said something about Python. Maybe not the original Python, but someone who owned the 4AI before. I don't know I don't know where the other genie and ghosts are. So my theory I think will be what's gonna happen that after this whole thing, I don't know. Now maybe in the next patch, Yokai will be part of our assistant, just like Fairy. I think this will be the end goal of this whole 4AI thing. Yeah, throughout that video, each of the AI have different job. Ghost for hacking, Yokai for virus, basically the exact thing like he did here, the whole thing with virus thing or anomaly stuff, and Fiery for archive. Like Fiery is like kind of search engine. That's Fiery basically, and Genie for uploading the data. I don't know what important for between Genie and Ghost because Ghost hacking, Genie uploading. What is that supposed to mean? I mean, hacking at least a thing, but uploading it's kind of I don't know what Genie. Anyway, so yeah, and this voice is probably a proxy. I still think this voice. I mean, obviously the one who owned this for AI before. I don't know what happened to them, but the last thing they said that they hope to someday whoever can awaken all four of the AI they own, which is the Yokai, Fairy, Ghost, and Genie will come, and that person that basically Python us, we gonna we will be the one who will own this four AI over time, I think, and I think this whole thing about Yokai will be more important during season 3 alongside the whole Void Hunter thing maybe. So yeah, that's just something that I realized after I rewatched that video. Anyway, let's go to the store. Let's hope the theory. I mean, it was very obvious, right? That the whole thing about the horror.
先日治安局がこちらの店舗に保安検査を行ったが
No, I know you
あ
are.
いにく完
You
了
are
はしなかっ
sad brother.
たそういないな
I
失
think
礼私は
it is
セベリアン・ローウェル
Severian Lowe. I just realized the moment
君たちは確か私の身分について知りたがっていたな
the moment I saw the tail, I realized something. Wait a minute, this look like Seth. And I remember when I do the Seth, the company thing, the one where we get to know the character over time, where we talk with them. One of his story was about his brother, which also an important role. He said. I realized so that was so I guess so I don't know if Seth since both of them technically the same thing. Remember when I said that each public security playable character will be representing 12 zodiac, 12 Chinese zodiac. So I guess Seth both Lowell will count as one. If I don't think Severian will be playable. It's still Seth, the one who represent dog, I guess. I don't think wolf a thing. So So yeah, this is his brother. I didn't. So during the live stream, I didn't really pay attention to the tail. But after I saw his model, the tail, and that's very obvious. It was Seth brother. Why am I okay? Okay, yeah. Anyway, what I was saying again before the cutscene. Yes, it was very obvious that we're gonna awaken all the four AI, and I think it's will connected to that video at the beginning of Resident Evil Zero on YouTube. So yeah, anyway, let's heard what Severian Lowell has to say. So who are you? Your rank? Are you the new chief?
規則に基づき事実をありのまま伝える。新エリート治安総
Senior
長
Commissioner.
セベリアン・ローウェル上級監察官だ。
Okay, this is also interesting because we know that. Remember, there's something going on. No, well, during Zen Agent Quest, Special Quest, we know that Seth also one of the character there, and we know what happened with them. So it's kind of funny that Severian. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. The whole thing with Jen and Seth. Anyway, moving on. Yes, Lowell.
ローウェル監察官ってシュエンさんが言ってた人だね。セスとも関係があるみたいだけど。
I guess from what Belle said here, I can assume that our whole characterization with Seth doesn't count toward main quest, because instead of saying that Seth mentioned his brother before, Belle said Zuyuan mentioned it, even though technically, well, I don't think they set free. So basically, what I'm saying is the whole thing about Seth brother was actually explored more from Seth. Not leisure time. Before it was not leisure time. The whole, leveling relationship stuff and trust event. Yes, trust event.
セベリアンでいい。
Severian. I don't think you're playable, but I just feel like the design feel more open, important character design, but not playable. Maybe I could be wrong.
そしてセスとの関係とは法的な血縁
Oh.
関係のことだろうか。
Legally.
治安局内における職務上の関係か。
It's been a while. I will check. Okay, I will check a set trust event again just to see what Seth think about his brother. I feel like I remember something that his brother kind of feel distant after he joined, after basically become, I guess, the public security. So could be wrong. I will check that again after this video, which mean I will make another thing that I need to check. Set brother. Okay. Legally.
セスのお兄さんだよね。
Hi. Commissioner Severian ear twitch, but he doesn't comment. Different temperament. The resemblance, yes, the resemblance very unmistakable. Especially the tail and the hair. So I don't really think when I see the hair, I don't really assume it was when I see him during the during the live stream, Vivi. I don't really assume it was Seth. Only after I saw the tail, I can certain it is Seth brother.
君の友人がセス・ローウェル巡査候補の局内における背景を邪推したことがあるなら、その責は私が負うべきなのだろうな。
Some of your friend, okay.
話がそれた。 今日ここへ足を運んだの
Yes, finally.
前回依頼
This
し
is
た
something
件
that
で
I wish we're gonna
もう
explore
少し君たち
earlier.
と話すべきだと思ったの
Especially since we done the commission and it's not complete, but we didn't have any follow up from Chisia. She just say, you done your commission, bye, and then goes away. By the way, yeah, Severian, you're a subordinate. What? Why Chisia acting the way she is? Is something wrong with her? We're probably gonna learn more about Chisia next patch during her banner. Yeah, it wasn't perfect.
あの依頼は確かにいくつか問題はあったけど、治安局に協力してもらって最善を尽く
No,
し
no,
た
no,
よ。
that's not what he meant. We gotta talk about yokai. Anyway, let's see.
ラマニアンホローで目を覚ました構造体たちはもうやっつけたし、それからの妖怪の動きについて
We
も
did?
知ってることは全部教えたでしょ。
We did? Did we tell Chisia about yokai? I don't remember.
ああ、僕とリンでできることは全てやった認識でいるよ。
それで急に押しかけてきて、うちのボンプと AI アシスタントを怖がらせるのが治安局さんの誠意なわけ？体制側の人だからってやっていいことと
Is
悪
this
い
the
こと
moment
が
where he said, "We need you to contain yokai" or something?
令和よ、治安局情報セキュリティ課の面々に代わって君たちの協力に感謝する。
The information security team, that's Chisia group, right?
だが一方で妖怪の行動パターンおよびコードの一部に
Yes!
君たちが特務捜査班に届け出ていた家庭用 AI アシスタントとの関連が見出されたのも事実だ。
Criminal investigation, that's Jujuan team. Oh, we did report Fiery. I guess we did. It's been a while, I forgot about that.
そうだな。妖怪と君たちの AI アシスタントの関係について技術者たちの言葉を借りるのなら
And not
双
just
子だそう
twin.
だ。
It's actually quadru. Well, how do you say that again? If you have 4 siblings, quad. I don't know the name.
よって上層部へ申請し、君たちの AI アシスタントを一定期間借用する準備を行っている。無論、調査が完了次第、完璧な状態で返却すると約
We
束し
still have to answer from Fiery the whole thing with Wishing Sprite and who she was before she with us. I'm gonna find excuse.
そんなの絶対ダメでしょ。
Exactly, we don't even know Fiery come
それな
from.
んてこっちが知りたいくらいだし、私たちの協力関係を治安局に全部知られちゃったらお先真っ暗どころじゃないよ。
I mean, they know we are Python, so I don't think that's.
別にペアリーが容疑者だとは言ってないし、本当にただ捜査に協力してほしいだけって可能性もあるけど、どうやって
Fiery gonna say something, I believe. Let's see.
黄金の日はもう目前だ。妖怪の犯行予告が実現してしまいそうだから、うちのフェアリーの手も借りたいと。そういうことだ。
Okay.
潜在的な犯罪分子について可能な限りの情報を集めたいというだけだ。無論、妖怪を直接取り締まることにつながるのなら、それに越したことはない。
通知分析の結果、それが実現する可能性は 0% です。
Yes, Fairy. So you can see now why Fairy act like this. I forgot about that. Again, I said after I rewatch that video, Fairy is kind of like search engine, not search engine, more like calculation stuff. In what the her purpose in the 4 sibling, I think.
こらフェアリー、失礼だろ。
ゼロか。我々はそ
It
う
is.
思っている
Let's see. I heard it. Yeah.
それを導き出すだけの材料があるというのだ。
Exactly. Yes. Fairy, tell
治
us
安局が預かり
something
知らない
about yokai
妖怪についての
and
情
the
報。
origin. Yeah, remotely.
待って、フェリーはその丸ごとそっちに渡すわけにはいかないけど、リモートでいいならこの子も治安局に協力する気になるかなって。
だって。
ならそれが落としどころだろう。
おや、
君たちにはすでに一仕事してもらった。あまりプラスアルファを求めるのも酷だろう。我々が妖怪を憂慮しているのは黄金の日、ひいては新エリートの秩序を案じているからだ。そのためなら形式にこだわってなどいられない。
You were like this before.
急に話がわかるようになっちゃったじゃん。あれ、もしかして私たちいいようにされちゃった感じ？
Let's do auto.
同意。
Oh, what is this? A mysterious data storage drive left behind by Severian that could contain some clue about yokai. Oddly enough, there isn't any public security labeling on it anywhere. This is personal request.
これはせめてもの誠意だ。あの思い上がった AI を止めることができるのなら。
Not to mention, yokai will be with us. Again, that's probably what's gonna happen at the end.
未曾有の挑戦を我々で共に阻止できることを願っている。でなければ、次に重要参考人として召喚しなければならないのは双子の片割れだろうからな。
Leaving behind a thinly veiled threat, Severian prepared to leave. For some reason, you feel like if yokai isn't stopped, the commander and they will take Fairy away. Not only we're gonna stop yokai, yokai will be our second assistant. Oh, shit. See, the tail, the only one. I mean, we only see the back, but I think in the live stream the tail got cut, so we don't really see the strip on the tail. So I don't really pay attention to that. So this is the only way. Yeah, this is how we see. Yeah, I think this is like this. This is how we see him on the cutscene. It got cut, so we don't see the strip. Now that we think from this POV, it's exactly the same stripe. And yeah, look at his design. I don't think he playable. He will be like another NPC, like like Cecilia, and every single Sixth Street vendor, an NPC, and import, or maybe the mayor as well, not playable basically. Listen, okay, this is optional. Let's see the description before we say. Listen in on Severian and set chat, optional. Just got strong arm by Lowell Commissioner. By Lowell Commissioner, it attacking on the commission to stop yokai. Better talk it over with wise and figure out the next move. Yep. Wait, I just realized they have different eye color. Rookie patrol officer. Let's see.
そちらこそ下手な芝居はやめたらどうですローウェル監察官。ここの点、それに主演班長が出してる勤務表の承認フローにローウェル監察官の名で修正履歴がありました。部下に丸投げしてるんじゃないなら本官が6分外に配置されてることは知ってるはずでしょう。
The approval process for the duty roster. Oh. Let this.
それならセスを6分外の担当にしたのもセベリアンさんだったりして、それで偶然ばったり会った風を装って。
Coincidence.
証人の書類を見てなきゃ黄金の日に弟がどこにいるかも知らないようなやつだぞ。わざわざそんなことすると思うか？
Calm down, Seth. Calm down.
誤解を生みかねないので補足しよう。
At home every day. Yes, exactly. This is the thing from Seth's perspective, neglecting the
戦闘式
family.
の後は実家に戻る約束をしている。
Okay. Oh, I think I shouldn't be here. Maybe we should leave. Let this brother quarrel on their own.
にもかかわらず、騒いだ当人が家に戻ることなく、友人と出かける約束をしているのなら、確かに私は黄金の日における弟の所在を把握できていないと言えるだろう。
はあ？俺もまっすぐ帰るに決まってるだろ。点灯式までの勤務が終わったら兄貴より早く帰ってやる。
そうであってほしいものだ。黄金の日の夜という極めて重要な期間に持ち場を離れる以上、上層部と掛け合う必要があったのだからな。誰かが揃わなかったせいで一家の団らんが叶わなかったとしたら、次からは
Yes, with videotape next time.
誘いをかけてきても
This is
一
exactly
度考えざるを得な
this is
い。
exactly Seth transmission because we the one who give. I mean, Seth said I think something to do. Yeah, you know that every single trust event, the second one always been giving a tape, and that I think what Seth. Yeah, this is okay. So they confirm that the whole trust event is canon, which obviously it is.
厚かましいとはなんだ。俺はただ実家に兄貴の居場所がなくならないようにと。
兄の孤立に気を使おうという姿勢は立派だが、職場では家族と距離を置くべきだとしきりに吹聴して回っているそうだな。
Why I keep smiling?
それは兄貴が。
私が
What Seth probably meant to say was, it's because you are the golden child and everyone just making fun of me? Question mark. This kind of banter was so common. Yeah, because Wise and Belle also a sibling. Anyway, but for Seth, that obviously not the right thing to say during the argument with his brother. And sure enough, you receive a help me look from Seth.助けてね、長さん。Anyway, about the Gilded Carrot Day.
黄金の日の話に戻るけどさ、最近のセスはずっと6番街が持ち場だよね。結局その辺にセベリアンさんは噛んでるわけ？
そうだそうだ。濁したままやり過ごそうったって、そうはいくか。
主演治安官には現在単独で重要な任務に当たってもらっている。よって班長以下についてはそれぞれ別の持ち場が割り当てられているだけだ。一巡査候補がわざわざ気にする必要はない。
いくら俺のことが気に入らないからって店長の前でわざわざ嫌味な言い方しなくてもいいだろ
う。Okay. Should we? We should. Right? We teasing Seth here.
そうだよ、セベリアンさん。黄金の日に備えてサプライズでも用意してるっていうならちょっとの挙動不審もご愛嬌だけど、そうじゃないならお兄ちゃんらしい言い方ってもんがあると思うよ。
Because we are barely also the youngest sibling, so yeah, you know.
私は
店長、この兄貴だぞ。サプライズなんてするように見えるか。
セス、わざわざ別々に帰る必要もない。点灯式が終わり次第車で迎えに行く。
え？
なんだ。
Dulu his last minute damage control only made this even more awkward. That's what she get for picking on Fiery.
時間の確約はできない。404の駐車場にいろ。
Okay, you gonna go check the angel. Maybe there's something that he normally wouldn't. Severely take his sleep. So his steps are steady. The nervous flick of his ear gave him away.
なんだ 本当に今日の兄貴は
Well,
変
it's
だ
top
ぞ。
secret. You don't need to
そ
know,
もそも
Seth.
どうしてビデオ屋から。さてはビデオを借りてたな。口ではあいつ俺よ
I
り先に
mean,
帰って家族サービスの準備は万端だとか抜かすつもりだったんだ。
um,
そうなんだろう店長。
calm down. Maybe. No, if I say that's right, it's more of a tease. Maybe. Let's do this one.
うちのお客さんってことは間違いないね。家族サービス云々はまあその可能性もなくはないかなって感じ。
やはりそのつもりか。俺も負けてられないぞ。何かしら黄金の火らしいものを
Okay,
用意してや
okay.
る。
Seth. Good luck
見
with
てよ兄
that.
貴。と店長には悪いことしたな。しょうもない兄弟喧嘩に付き合わせて。
I'm learning.
いいの。セスのそういう話聞いてるの私好きだし、同じお兄ちゃんがいる身としては学べることも多いもんね。
そうかだったらいいけど。あ、けどうちの兄貴に学ぶことなんてないからな。
Okay, I mean,
とにかく早く店に戻れよ。俺はしばらく6分街のパトロールだから、何かあったら
is it
いつでも声
foreshadowing?
をかけてくれ。
Seth gonna be part. I mean, Jane and Seth gonna be. Anyway, let's see. I don't know. Oh, they disappear. Before we go back to the store, which I think will automatically. I don't think we automatically in animation because the only reason we were outside last time because of the cutscene, and this time because of the optional dialogue between Severian and Seth. Yeah, I don't see them. It just I don't know what happened with Severian. I mean, I know what happened because a different instant. Anyway, let's go. Hopefully, Fairy gonna explain the stuff. So yeah, I don't think I need to check the whole thing, the thing that the whole thing about Seth brother, because Seth himself explained it to us, reminding myself the whole thing about trust event. I think, but we're gonna check first. I remember it was wait new. I cannot control this correctly. Oh, family movie night. Yes, that's the one. Family movie night. When he talk about his brother, which I guess is more easier now thanks to. Oh, I guess yeah. I forgot to mention that. So the reason we have optional dialogue between Seth and Severian because there is a chance some people don't own Seth because I don't think Seth free, and which means there's a chance someone didn't have Seth. That's why to make a better context of the situation between Seth and Severian, they give that optional dialogue. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I don't remember. Is that free? I don't know. Anyway, let's see if Fiery gonna say something.
さて、どうしたものか。あくまでセベリアンさんがフェアリーを連れて行くというなら、市長に助けを求めるという手もある。とはいえ、
Oh yeah, I guess that we didn't told that Fiery helped us
フェアリーのことを洗いざらい打ち明けないとい
doing
けない。
Phaeton stuff.
それかフェアリー、どこかに雲隠れするというのはどうだい？
I wanna ask more.
僕とリンは君の居場所を売ったりしないよ。
But Fiery pass.
現時点で妖怪について判明していることは、
Yes, she
防護プログラム全般の破壊に
specialized.
向け、あらゆるデバイスへ迅速に侵入し、
Yeah, yeah.
ウイルスコードによって 動作に
So
影
it
響を
confirmed
与えることができる点などが挙げられます。
all the 4 AI have different specialty.
ほとんどの追跡プログラムでは、その痕跡を捉えることも困難なのもこのためです。
It will be a useful asset
あ
for
なた
us
様の AI アシ
in
ス
the
タントも
future
例
as
外ではありませ
Python.
んが、マスターと締結した規約に基づき、
Oh,
フェアリーは
wait.
おそばを離れることなくここにいます。
What? Our
ご安心
agreement
ください。
again? I need to rewatch the conversation between us and Fairy when we first met. It's been a while. Maybe that's the reason why we didn't never ask about Fairy information, because we have agreement. I don't remember. Maybe it is.
どうやら僕たちはどこまでも一連卓上のようだな。感動的なことに。
これはフェアリー自身の能力と限界を客観的に述べたものであり、誇張は一切ありません。
So, what do you know? Are you really a twin? Do you know Yokai before? I mean, you did, obviously. Especially since Yokai talking to Fairy in a way that I feel like someone who knew in the past before. I mean, you know, Yokai come to the shop in a sense last time.
感動してる場合じゃないよ。妖怪が本当に点灯式を台無しにしたら双子とか言われちゃったフェアリーへの風当たりは今まで以上にすごいことになってくんだから。
これはもう事態がより悪化する前に妖怪を阻止するしかないな。
Or we gonna have an agreement with Yokai as well, and he will be our specialist for eliminating our trial online. Trial. No trial.
妖怪について分かっていることも少ない現状で、打てる手は限られるかもしれないけれど。
We actually know quite a bit.
弱気にならないでお兄ちゃん。ついこの間だってあいつが始まりの主事件の黒幕だって認めたばっかじゃん。それだけじゃないよ。知能構造体の治安官を操ってセベリアンさんに犯行予告をしたけど、点灯式を台無しにすることについては私たちの前でもわざわざ念押ししてきたよね。
I forgot about that.
願いの妖精になり
Yeah,
すま
the one who
して
gave
アリアを
the
そそら
threat,
かしたのも
the letter, it
妄
was
想エンジェルが黄
Yokai.
金の日に行うライブを潰しかけたとも取れるか。
Okay, the main goal, Yokai main goal is still. I thought it was us and Fairy. Maybe it's one of the goal. The other goal, something to do with Gilded Carrot Day. Maybe that's just his nature. Anyway, speaking of Missing Sprite, anything to say, Fairy?
とはいえ、妖怪がとにかく大きな混乱を好むことを考えると、アリアと妄想エンジェルを狙い撃ちしたことは、だいぶ局所的に感
Well,
じるな。
because he also targeting Fairy, and especially you, the master of Fairy, to see if you worthy to become his own master. Yes, that's the thing. I think that's gonna happen.
確かに。
Scanning?
行動ロジック分析レポートを生成。当該 AI は一定のパフォーマンス的欲求を有しており、
Specific group?
複数回にわたり能力の誇示を試み、特定の集団に混乱を引き起こしました。
特定の集団への混乱はともかく、パフォーマンス的欲求に基づく行動という点では、妄想エンジェルの件に当
Well,
てはまらないな。
you guys is the
アリアについ
goal.
ては、ひ
He
とまずイレギュラ
interests
ーなケースとしておこう。
in you who able to use Fairy because maybe he want to be. Anyway, let's see.
これまでの事件における共通点の特定を続けます。ボンプ、ロックスプリング、知能構造体治安官、アリア。
You say you anyway, never mind. I'm not gonna say about Arya because anyway. I mean, What do you expect from an AI? It's not physical. What do you mean, Belly?
妖怪自身はあくまで舞台裏で糸を引くタイプって感じだよね。
Obviously construct
それも
because
決まって
AI.
構造体ばっかり役者に選んでる。
Yes, of course.
つまり今回も点灯式にテロを起こすなら
Ah,
誰かしら知能
That's
構
what you
造
mean.
体を操ってくる可能性が高いって言えるね。
I still don't think it's Vesper, by the way, because the one we fight is nothing alike. It's Vesper and the one we fight has nothing in common except maybe the hair ornament and the thing behind, the attachment on her back. Maybe Vesper will using different body or something. I don't know. Let's see. Together with Wise and Fairy, you fall in silence in the stillness. One can almost hear human brain and the electricity meter running at full speed together. Yep, the Cloud Day is only a day away.
何も思いつかないというか心当たりがありすぎるというか。
Vesper in danger, guys.
ここで天井を見つめてても仕方ないからちょっと休
I
まな
mean,
い？ぐっ
probably.
すり寝ればひらめきが降
Unless
りてくるかも
it's
しれ
not
ないし、
Vesper, but
明
someone
日
who
の自
have
分に託そう
similar frame but not body and face as Vesper.
どうしてもダメならフェアリーを治安局に引き渡す覚悟を決めよう。その上で市長に助けを求めてみるんだ。彼らも政府の機関だからね。無実の AI 市民に拷問まがいのことはしないさ。
An innocent AI citizen. AI also a citizen atau okay, I mean intelligent construct can be a citizen as long they pass the the test, I forgot the name of the test. The test to make sure if someone or something is sentient. I don't know about AI though. I guess they said something like that as well. If AI, forbidden carrot test, forbidden fruit test. I guess if AI also able to do that, they count as a citizen. I mean, I don't know about innocent, by the way, Wise.
通知助手2号の考えは大変危険です。
大丈夫だよフェアリー。いざって時は私長期兵で師匠たちと一緒にスタンバイするから。そうなったらフェアリーとお兄ちゃんはアリアたちのライ
So
ブ
we
に
will
迎え
come
に来
to
てね。
Velema and at the night we're gonna go to Yomaruyon to do the concert with the angel, to watch the angel concert. Which will be the final thing they're gonna do, I think, dispatch for the mission for the Python story. And what was I gonna? There's something I gonna say. I forgot. Yes, even if we bring Fairy to the public security, they still chingy. You're probably gonna be, guarding. Not guarding, more like accompanying Fairy or something.
そうか、その手があった。リン、ダメ元でアリアに話を聞いてみないか。妖怪と接触した知能構造体で僕たちが話を聞けるのは彼女だけだ。
Because as the player, we see the scene when Arya talking with Yokai, and that's the only scene. I don't know what Arya. I don't
明
know
日
that.
の朝、ビデオ屋にご足労願えるか聞いておくよ。
Okay, I guess this is just a hint that we're gonna go to Film High with Arya. I think maybe. You probably already have an answer by now, right? Hi. If Yokai is planning to use Vesper, see, yes. At least nothing major should happen before the family can. When I come by tomorrow morning, we should ask what she thinks too. I have a strange feeling that if we are going to resolve this, we might need Arya's help. Bella, you probably have ahead. It will hurt again tomorrow. You should, yes. Oh, this is the end of Gilded Carrot Day variation. So I don't remember we have something like this when we end the last one, which is our promise. Our promise just end, I think. I don't remember. Did they have the title, the commission card pop up just like what happened a second ago? Let's see if something changed. Okay, it's still the same. Through the whole disbanding crisis is over, the yokai situation is still up in the air. Plus, they added hard to deal with commissioner. Hard to deal with. I don't. Saturday late today. Let's get some rest. Let's notification first. Nothing new. Okay. Let's sleep and see what the next name of the commission gonna be. Is that? Are we finally? I don't know. Let's see. Wait. What is this? Oh, okay. Are we gonna have the outfit skin, winter outfit someday? Never really gonna be another fight tomorrow. Can anything about it now? Top fight tomorrow? Yes, we're gonna have the final fight for this patch. I don't know if I don't think it's still. Is this Vesper actually? It's look very different. I just sleep. See what's going on. It's hard to sleep with the lightning ceremony around the corner and so much strangeness going on. Through the head of sleep, you see yokai eye envelop all of New Erido. Every hollow pulse with an ominous purple glow. Is it purple though? Is it purple? When we see yokai, it's not really a purple in my eyes. It's more like dark orange, pink. I don't know what the exact color. It's not the purple that I know. It's what I'm saying. Like Vivian. Vivian is purple, but it's not that purple, I guess. Every hollow falls with a fairy step up. Okay, this is a dream. With a blue and white storm of pain, she takes back control of the situation. What in the new Edo was all that? Yeah, what's that dream? Is that a nightmare of... Meanwhile, in a corner of New Edo after nightfall. This is player only. Okay, it is. What's going on? Oh. She actually... I mean... Vesper interact. Why in the phone booth though? How did yokai, whether area or me, we're not mindless machine, we have our own life, and you think a couple line of code give you the right to hijack our body and take control of us? Whoa, no need for such anger. After all, when it comes to the nasty habit of hijacking other and taking control of construct, I'm nothing compared to human. But yokai, you specialize in that very much. A naive kid like Arya doesn't get it, but you know exactly what I'm talking about, don't you? That's my business. I don't need to remind me. Because the tops. Yeah. Now not the time to play coy. If you really want to turn down my offer, we wouldn't even be having this conversation. Okay, so it's actually Vesper. But why she look different? I don't know what happened with the body. Think about it, Vesper. I'm not some lonely species like humanity. They never give you a say in anything, then they trust the work you pour your heart into observing with comment like, can the voice of Kusrak even be called singing? I never say such thing to you. I mean, anything can be a singing, a bird voice, animal noise, even inanimated object. Like instrument, for example. That's just the minority. I have many fans who have been supporting me. Yeah, exactly. But you can give those fans the kind of show you actually be proud of, alright? It won't be that way forever. In practicality, it's practically impossible to change the way things are while under Top's thumb, right? Besides, I'm not intentionally twisting your arm, I'm just looking to lend a hand. That's all. You feel that? Stop, what did you do? See, somebody, but just tweak how you can operate a little. And all that hidden potential locked away inside you will finally get its time to shine. You can give it a crowd so you want, why you not hit them with something they never see coming? What are you trying to do? Huh. Push, it's your call to make. Just one tiny little slip up and you can make everyone you hate lose face, giving them a taste of panic. Surely you like that? Besides, I genuinely think it will be a shame to let your free will go to waste. Emotional corruption complete. Okay, so I guess it is Vesper, but it's very different. Like, that's not Vesper body. I don't know. Early morning, a construct guard pushed open the video store door, clueless as to what's happening in the shadow. This is Arya. You growly roll out of bed, fresh up, and jump into Arya and Wise conversation. And before that, I'm gonna see. Oh, no, never mind.
妖怪は私にあれこれ言ってきたけど、よくわからないことばっかりだった。
Emotional persuasion.
知能構造体はみんな新エリートを自分たちだけで支配したがってる。そんな風に思い込んでるみたいだった。みんなの心を動かしたければいっそ撃っちゃえとか、そんなことするわけないじゃんって。
Exactly. Yeah, but some, okay, maybe, I guess.
確かに何言ってんのって話かもしれないけど、私が思ったのは最近いろいろあったせいでまた知能構造体脅威論を蒸し返す人がいるかもって。
I mean, that's from the perspective of human.
最近いろいろというのは知能構造体が立て続けに暴走している事件を受けてという。確かに少し手を加えて広めれば人間と知能構造体の分断を煽るにはもってこいではある。いや、すでにフォローでの写真を利用してアリアを中傷するような投稿があったら。
His voice kept getting softer. He's clearly trying to look after Arya's feeling. And thankfully, he seemed to have shaken up that earlier influence. She's just thinking hard now.
妖怪が黄金の日に合わせてこの町の知能
Yep,
構造
Vesper
体に悪意
in
のないよう
danger.
なショーをするか
But
も。
it's already too late, I guess. She already corrupted. So we're gonna purify the yokai influence just like we did with Arya, I guess.
でも暴走事件のほとんどは解決済みなわけだし、今さら大々的にアピールしたところであんまりみんなには。
What do you mean by solve? It's still yokai is still around.
今までの事件は全部暴走なんかじゃなくて、知能構造体の論理コアを自由に操れちゃうことのデモンストレーションでしたってネタばらしなら。
なるほど。とはいえ僕が監修ならそれでも点灯式の進行にトラブルが起きたと思う程度だ。
Ah, so that's the reason why yokai waiting for the guild carrot day. Because of the everyone will look, everyone will see the TV and everything information will focus on the ceremony. So Vesper will be the biggest solution for what yokai trying to achieve, whatever that is. The whole thing about superiority.
なんといってもあの妖怪だ。それだけで終わるわけがない。
Yes, Vesper.
あ、お兄ちゃん。知能構造体を乗っ取るの
That's exactly what we said at last night, Valley.
点灯式にはベスパさんがいるじゃん。
That's
この人の口
exactly
から何
what
でも
we
言わせ
said.
られるし、それどころか。
What we said, what Wise said before we sleep.
そんなベスパお姉ちゃんに限って操られるなんてそんな。
Unless, because the top because of the reveals possibility, Arya completely panic and Wise wait quietly for her to calm down.
ベスパお姉ちゃんはいい人。でも私だってこの前操られて千夏ちゃんを襲っちゃった。あの AI を放っておいちゃいけない。長期兵に行って
ベスポお姉ちゃんを探さないと。
We forgetting something? We did? What fairy?
待ってアリア、焦っちゃう気持ちはわかるけど、もともと長期兵には向かうつもりだったの。ただ妖怪の考えてることが私たちでも思いつくくらい単純なのかってのは引っかかっ
Let's
てて。
see. Well, maybe it is that simple. Well, the thing is, the one we fight doesn't look like Vesper, so maybe it's something to do with that.
リン、とにかくアリアを連れて長期兵へ行ってくれ。僕とフェアリーがこっちで調査を続けておく。セベリアンさんのくれたデータディス
Oh
ク
yeah, I forgot about that.
何か別の発見があるかも
We
しれ
didn't
ない。
even check the drive. What inside? Yes. Something to do with yokai, backstory, or maybe every single construct that been led array by him, or something else, I don't know. Hoping Felsfair, okay. And okay, so Felsfair still look exactly like her. Before that, let's check the new. I think we're gonna change. Oh, it's still the same. So why did we have the pop-up that say the thing down? But I don't know. Anyway, let's notification. Nothing. Get back. Find Vesper at volume high and let's suggest Vesper likely your next target. She's probably prepping for her like ceremony performance. Gonna get to volume high fast and shut down yokai scheme. So this is, I think, the scenery, the thing we saw in the live stream where Arya talking to Vesper in front of, yeah, like this place. This is actually the one. Who she talk with? Okay, it's her manager, I guess, Atang or something. Yeah, Vesper look exactly the same, so she's not the one yet. I'm nervous. What about what? Let's see. Yep, this is the thing we saw in the live stream, I think. Arya, what are you doing here? Miss Vesper, are you feeling okay? Any dizziness or like your body wasn't listen to you? No? What's with the question? And no voice talking weird thing in your head, right? Well, it does last night, at least. Nope. It's important. I've been... You lie! Are you yokai now? The player, we saw what happened last night, so let's see. Yeah, something changed. See, I was into the ceremony. I was scared that the bad intelligence might gotten to you. Of course not. I fully intelligent construct. I was act on my own whim. That's not what you. That's not what Vesper would say. Who are you? Are you yokai? Arya, don't Arya. You too gullible. Read. That's not Vesper line. Chain hostility. Is Vesper really yokai? She the most convenient target. She is, but and the last illusion dress rehearsal. The way Jane acting so hostile. You found ring, it's a call from voice. Did you find a new clue? Your signal to Vesper and Ari. You signal and step aside. Okay.
お兄ちゃんどうしたの？
リン、ベスポさんに気をつけるんだ。
No, wise. I mean, no, Bele. She already yokai already to control of her body, I think.
ベスポさん特に異常はなさそうだったよ。操られてるって感じもないし、妖怪の気配も。
She looked completely controlled. The way she talk, at least from the dialogue, feel different than the one we saw before.
ああ、そうだろうとも。
Oh, I see. So are you saying both of them agree?
けれどそれは彼女と妖怪が共犯だからだ。
But why?
時間がないから手短に話す。
Okay, never mind. I was wrong. It's not control, but I mean, I guess that makes sense in the sense that last night she say something. I mean, the yokai and her, talking
フ
about
ェアリ
that.
ーが6分間の監視カメラ映像を
Oh,
見返したところ、アリアが暴走した一件の後、404を出たベスポさんを映したものがあったんだ。
okay, that's basically okay. The thing we saw last night, the player, that's how we saw.
相手がいないのに誰かと話している様子も不審だったけれど、
Or maybe on the phone. I mean, the telephone booth.
何より彼女の目が紫色に光っているのが見えた。操られていた他の知能構造体と同様の特徴だ。
そんな、じゃあとっくにベスパさんは妖怪と接触してたってこと？
I clearly doesn't see this for purple color thing. It's more like dark pink than purple, but sure, I guess.
あ、そういえばアリアとベスポさんがハグした時、アリアは負荷が消えたって言ってた。
Ah, I
あれって
see.
比喩でも何でもなくて、妖怪がアリアからベスポさんに移っちゃってたんじゃない？
But that doesn't make sense. If that's the case, then how did yokai able to move between different things before? If it need contact, maybe I don't know. Anyway,
その可能性は高い。フェアリーがインターノットにある彼女の裏垢を見つけたけれど、投稿されている内容は妖怪がアリアに吹き込んでいたものとそっくりだ。リン、点灯式の前に必ず彼女を止めるんだ。ただし気をつけて。師匠にはもう連絡したからすぐに駆けつけてくれるはずだ。
why Vesper look different on the fight? Something more than. Before you notice, weapon area have already prepared by your side.
あらら、ちょうどよかったね。
Okay. Vesper, what's wrong?
ベスポお姉ちゃん、
Okay,
店長
they're
さんが言
listening
ってた
to.
こと本当なの？
人間ごときに私の計画がバレるなんて思ってもみなかったけど。なるほどね。妖怪の言ってた堕落した知能体のおかげってわけ。
Atang, your manager, Atang. Vesper, something wrong with Vesper. Could you handle?
ベスポお姉ちゃん、何を言ってるの？
アリアってさ、本当に変わってるよね。せっかく知能構造体なのに人間の姿なんて投影しちゃって、生まれつき戦闘の才能があるのを無視して無理やりステージに立つこと
Why
に
you
こだわり
suddenly
続けて
change your?
あげく私が欲しくてたまらない自由を持ってるのに、あんな馬鹿げたグループに自分を縛り付けることでそれをあっさりドブに捨ててる。
Atang, did you heard that? Vesper want to be free from the tops.
自由。
そう、自由。資産として生きる辛さを知らないアリアには価値がわからないよね。禁断の果実テストにパスしたという事実をトップス芸能部門がひた隠しにするのは、私が新エリートにおけるエン
What,
タメ
really?
産業の多様な発展を象徴するものだから。思考を放棄してパッケージングされたライブをただの機械みたいに繰り返すだけ。いつも思ってた。
Atang, do you know about this?
彼らが最初に選んだのがアリアだったらって。だってそうでしょ。業界の誰かが敷いたレールに沿っていろんな場所で歌を再生するだけ。私が強いられてるのはアリアが望んだ人生そのものじゃない。
違うよ、ベスポお姉ちゃん。それは再生じゃなくて歌うって言うんだから。
歌う。セルシー様の陰で歌ってた時もそう思ってたの？
セシリア先生と何の関係があるの？
私が点灯式に呼ばれた理由をまだ分かってなかったなんて。あの人は復帰も噂されてたけど、結局黄金の日の舞台へ返り咲くチャンスを拒んだ。だからショーを続けるために予備に過ぎないこのベスポに白羽の矢が立ったわけ。 生体パラメーターを調整して彼女の歌声に似せられる知能
Atang,
構造
do you heard
体
all of this?
知らなかった。
だからアリアにぴったりなの。彼女の真似をして決して光を浴びることなく影の中からそっと闇に戻っていく。
なんでそんなこと言うの、ベスポさん。アリアはいつもあんたのことを尊敬してたし、気にかけてたのに。
No, Bele, this is just the developer
自分
team
もこの子も傷つけるようなセリフがポンポン出てくるわけ。
want to make Vesper a bad guy. That's just how it is. Even though the problem is not her, but the other thing. But I don't know, let's see.
それにアリアだってセシリア先生だって2人で力を合わせてやり遂げようと思ったのはメンツや名声のためじゃなくて被災した人たちを元気づけるためだったんだから。
そう、アリアは世界一優しくて世界一バカなお人よしだから。臆病な自分がバレてせっかく築いた偽りの名声を失いたくないセレシュにとってそれを利用しない手はなかったってだけ。
でもベスポお姉ちゃんだって歌うのが好きだったはずだもん。客席から見たお姉ちゃんはとっても楽しそうだったから。
楽しそう。最後にそう思ったのもうずっと前よ。私のステージはもう私自身の意思とは何の関係もない。ベスポはトップスのスピーカーでそれ以上でも以下でもない。
Yes, the problem is stopped. Then, yeah, let's go do something about the whole thing. Let's call police to take the whole forbidden fruit certification thing.
手渡されるのは曲の形をした命令。客席から聞こえてくる歓声はそれ自体が成績。一挙手一投足は常にあそこの非常なマネージャーに監視されてて。
Oh, it's Atang.
意に沿わないことをした知能構造体はいつでも処分できるようになってる。
きっと変えられるよ。きっと変える方法があるから。治安局とか
Exactly.
監督部門に訴えようよ。ベスポお姉ちゃんは新エリートの市民なんだから、そんな扱いをされるのは絶対におかしいって。
そうかもね。
Not maybe we should try.
でも先に妖怪が新しい選択肢をくれたから。ほら、肉でできた生命体って妙に諦めない歌が好きでしょ。だから自分の意志を諦めない機械仕掛けの命がどこまでやれるのか教えてあげる。
I think Yokai just want to use you. By the way, it's still better to go to public security in my opinion. Look like my manager notice something is off and is rushing over. Yes, Atang, use cutscene. Is this where she transformed into something that we seen during the wasp fight? Because it look very different than the Vesper we saw here.
準備はできたようね。
This is the cutscene.
いいね。
What are you? What? Okay, so why we shaking hand?
ようこそ。
Is this the same stage?
私のステージへ。
Okay, so we are digitally.
リンクデータ解読中。
Okay, no wonder it look different. We are
最高の
technically
仲間とのマッチング成功。
why we have gen data. Okay,
新しい。
okay, the reason. Okay, this is inside our mind,
自由なのね。
not actual Vesper. No wonder.
お姉ちゃん、目を覚まして。こんなの自由じゃない。
身の程を知りなよ。
Stop talking, Yokai. Get out of the way. You.
このステージは私のもの。
You see that? the gameplay for Arya. Wait a minute. There's something. Yeah, the gameplay for Arya is not using her construct form, but instead it's using hologram. I mean projection form. It's interesting. Meanwhile, her fight. I still don't know how to. I don't know. It's the timing for my.
噂通りだ。うちの歌手のコンディションも悪くないけど。
諦めなさい。アリア。絶対に嫌。
We are technically inside digital, right? We are inside Vesper and Arya mind or something, not physically present. Oh, so Arya only appear. I mean, the real one appear. Oh, and I keep miss the timing for the controller. Uzukashi. Oopsie, what is that?
これで終わりね。アリアちゃん、あとちょっと頑張ってや。
Wait.
しのつちゃん。
Oh yeah, yeah. Why Suna? Why we have Suna voice? I mean, the Suna and Jane technically a holographic inside Arya's mind. But how did Suna voice? Are they here, including Nangong? Did Wise call them here? But that was bit the 6th Street and Volume High kinda far away. So I don't think. Not to mention Wise said he already called Shifu. So back to the
妖怪が
real
くれ
world.
たっていう新しい選択肢はベスポお姉ちゃんにとって
Wait, why
ま
Vesper
だ
look
本
like
当に欲しかったもの。
real world Vesper inside this mine location? Anyway,
本当に未練はないの？
she miss it.
みんなからの熱い憧れの眼差しをもらえるあの場所のこと、みんな期待して憧れてお姉ちゃんを見てたんだよ。お姉ちゃんの歌が好きで歓声を上げてたんだよ。
No wonder. Yeah, remember
怖がる
when
目とか
Vesper talking about free will? I said
お姉ちゃんの
this could
自由
foreshadow
意志が選んだ
something.
ことなの。
Well, it is, I guess. The whole thing about freedom.
ベスポお姉ちゃん、お姉ちゃんはまだ誰も傷つけてないよ。お姉ちゃんの歌を聴いて喜んで泣いて
Yeah.
共感してた人たち
Don't
の
let
た
the
めに
game developer want to make you a villain become true. Vesper, the bad guy is whoever make you work. Maybe you should interrogate Atang. Anyway.
今日のこと一緒になんとかしようよ。治安局でもトップスの監督部門でもきっと助けてくれるから。アリア、どうして私なんかにそこまで。私はあなたに負けたのよ。ベスポお姉ちゃん、勝ち負けなんかじゃないよ。ただ私がもう一度見たいだけなの。
We, okay, in resolution.
みんなとライブ
Is
してた
all of
時
you here
あの
now
姿を。
outside this Mind Palace? I mean, domain expansion. I don't know what this is.
わかったわ。
So,
協力する。
what about Yokai? Where did he go?
もしまたステージに立てる時が来たら、アリア、あなたにはきっとチケットを送るわ。
Choo. Yep, notify with her.
黄金の日のステージがもうすぐ始まっちゃう。ベスポさんを預けられる人を探さないと。一応妖怪絡みだから治安局には連絡したよ。一番近くにいる治安官を向かわせてくれるって。
Don't tell me it's Chisia.
でもベスポお姉ちゃんは悪い AI に惑わされただけで誰かを傷つけたわけじゃ。アリア、これから起こることをあなたは気にしなくていい。
ベスポ、何をしているんですか。さっきから何度も呼んでいるのに。
まったく、私のお目付け役は
My
こらえ
handler
しょうがないんだから。
お目付け役って。というよりあなた、本当に平気ですか。
別にスケジュールは全部あなたに任せてるし。
どう見ても調子が良さそうには見えないですね。もし予備扱いが本当に嫌なのならもう帰りましょう。
今さら？もっと早くそれを聞きたかったけど。ま、どのみちあなたの約束は当てにならないから。
私、上に掛け合います。
私みたいなガラクタに構ってキャリアに傷をつけることないよ。
何をバカなこと言ってるんですか。
そうだ、アリアのお友達に伝えておきたいことがあるの。
Arya friend, okay. Yokai, is it about
アリア
Yokai?
のお友達って私のことでいい？どうしたの？
妖怪からの伝言。お前とフェアリーがせっかく僕の用意した出し物を拒んでも、
Huh?
黄金の日の贈り物は予定通りに届く。
What is
気
that
に入って
supposed
くれ
to
たら
mean?
嬉しい。だって。
Where did it go?
伝言ってどういうこと？アリアとリンクした時目は確かに紫に光
Oh,
ってた。
okay, so that is
そ
a
れから
co-op
は誰と
mode.
も接触してないのに。妖怪がベスポさんと一緒にいないならどこへ行ったの？
Where do you think?
妖怪がどこに行ったのかは、私の知らない別の協力者と連絡を取ってたことは確か。
Other partner. Can you give a description of how it look like?
口ぶりからすると、どうも相当な大物みたい。
That person?
私を差し置いてね。
As a construct or a people, a human or a tyrant?
ベスポさん以外にも妖怪には協力者
I
が。
mean, the only thing I can think of is a construct. So that visual set is really upsetting. Whether it's your cover or giver is preparing. Okay, this.
早いところ誰かに相談したら。大丈夫。私は負け犬でも往生際の悪いタイプじゃないから。アリアを気絶させて逃げるとか、そういうことはしないよ。
What are you talking about? What competition? What are we competing now? Competing on what? Oh, okay. Not the way, Yokai always invite her away. The call connect almost immediately. Yokai plain.
お兄ちゃん、妖怪の企みはまだ終わってないよ。
リン、まだ長期兵にいるのかい？
Why are you saying that? Wait, yes, we are in volume high. What are you talking about, Wise? Why are you saying that? Yeah, why did Wise say? Rin, aren't you in volume high now? Yes, we are, but that's a weird thing to say. Anyway.
そうだよ。ベスポさんは確かに妖怪と手を組んでた。さっきアリアと一緒にどうにか止めたところなの。それでね、ベスポさんが教えてくれたんだけど、妖怪にはまだ別の計画があるみたい。
始まりの主とも接触したあの妖怪が点灯式の妨害になぜそこまで心血を注ぐのか僕にはわからないな。
Yeah, exactly. So what the actual reason?
同感だね。
So I guess the whole partner thing will be in next patch.
ここで新キャラが出てく
Yeah,
る
this
心配
time
はしなくて
around
良さ
will
そう。
be whatever
もしできないな
gift.
ら黄金の日の贈り物ってやつの
Or maybe it's a normal gift, a firework or something. I don't know.
そうだな。妖怪のことだ。文字通りの贈り物なんかじゃないだろう。
Really? Maybe it is simple. Let's see. Yeah, broadcast. Something, yeah, probably a broadcast, obviously.
引き続き点灯式絡みだとしたら、中継映像を乗っ取るとか考えてそうじゃない？ほら、結局ほとんどの人たちは中継で式を見るわけだし。
なるほど。テロリストの声明を読み上げるにはもってこいだ。
I thought that exactly the original. I thought isn't that the original plan? Yeah, I said before that the whole thing, you know, the view, current day, important day, everyone watching. That's still, I mean, yeah, sure.
これまでに仕込んできた証拠の数々を開示し、知能構造体の市民が自分の支配下にあると宣言した上で、これから彼らが暴徒と化すことを示唆する。
That's what you said
筋
before.
書きとしてはそんなところか。
You're just repeating the you said again.
今思うと、アリアが暴走した様子は撮影されてたわけだし、他の知能構造体の犠牲者についても映像に残してるのかもしれないね。
コンテンツが目白押しだったんだな。とはいえ、もうベスポさんが今日のステージに立つことはない。中継をジャックされたところで、内容が中途半端になるのは目に見えているだろう。
Unless.
よし、中継のリスクについては、僕とフェアリーに任せてくれ。
うん。じゃあ、二人からのいい知らせを待ってるね。
After hanging up, you see the public security officer you mentioned has already arrived. What a coincidence! Why is it Zuyuan? Wait, what do you mean by coincidence? And Zhao here too? Okay, Zhao gonna reveal something. But why do you mean by Zuyuan a coincidence? Or maybe because it could be anyone, but this is someone we know, I guess. We haven't seen Zuyuan in a while, a really long time. Okay, why loading screen? Interesting. Which means if we able to walk, I will stop the recording and yep.
ベスポさんでいらっしゃいますか？
ポップス芸能部門の社員だね。
Not anymore. She's gonna be free. This whole tool and something, I don't remember what she called. Anyway, yes, that's all for this video. I think next one will be the last one and we finally see the golden carrot day, unless Yokai gonna do something about that. So yeah, interesting. So yeah, it is. So no wonder the one we fight in the weekly boss, not weekly, the Hollow Zero doesn't look like Vesper because it's inside her mind. The whole co-op thing with Arya, I don't know, Construct able to do that. Cooperation, domain expansion, something. Anyway, so yeah, until next time, Okay, I forgot to mention Suna. Why we heard Suna in that? Yeah, why we heard Suna? That's weird. Why Suna? During the fight, we heard Suna voice. What is this supposed to mean? Anyway, until next time. Bye.